Here's how to make a Lady Gaga type beat in the style of red wine. Let's start with some drums. We have our kick, a clap, which we can layer with a snare, and some rides. Now onto our main melody. Let's take the minor scale. I'm using the key of F. We can use any of these notes in the scale. Make sure to use notes one semitone apart. They create tension. We need that exact Lady Gaga lead sound. I have this preset inside of my plugin Grain X4, which is linked in my description. This plugin has over 400 presets inside. Now onto our chords. We'll start by taking bass notes. We can use any notes in the scale. Now we're going to copy these notes and pitch them up an octave. Now let's turn these into their respective major and minor third chords by taking a note that's 2 notes above the bass note in the scale. You'll notice I pitched the third down an octave in the last chord. This is a technique called revoicing. For the sound I used, I took a preset inside of Grain X4 again. Here's how our track now sounds, but it's missing something. The bass line. We're simply taking a bass sound and copying the root notes of the chords. But we have a problem. The bass and the kick frequencies are clashing. So we need to add something called sidechain. This simply ducks the volume of the bass line when the kick hits. You'll hear it gives it this pulsating sound. We now have a few more elements we need to add. Hoover and lead elements to sit in the background of the track to add more life to the beat. These will simply copy the lead melody we had earlier. The only difference being is that we changed the rhythm. Here's how all of these elements now sound together. But finally, there is one more element that we need to add. A Lady Gaga beat is not a Lady Gaga beat without this one iconic sound. This sound was used in so many 2000s pop beats, and you'll recognise it instantly. It genuinely took me hours to find this sound. Anyway, it's in my drum kit, which is linked in the description alongside Grain X4, which is currently 50% off to only $49. And that's how you make a Lady Gaga track. I hope you guys learned something in this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.